In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance and clean your audio using Adobe Premiere's Essential Sound Panel and a few manual effects for that professional crispness. Whether you're preparing a podcast, voiceover, or dialogue for a video project, getting your audio just right can make a world of difference in how your content is received. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by selecting the audio clip in your timeline that needs some attention. Navigate to the top of the screen, click on Window, and then Essential Sound. This panel is your gateway to quick and efficient audio improvements. Once you have the panel open, label your audio clip as Dialogue. This is crucial because it allows Premiere Pro's Essential Sound Panel to understand that it's working with voice audio and apply the most appropriate enhancements. Now, under the Repair section, you'll find options such as Reduce Noise and Reduce Reverb. These are particularly helpful for suppressing any background hiss or hum and minimizing the echo that might occur if your recording space is less than ideal. Simply toggle the switches next to these options, and you should notice an immediate improvement. Moving on to the Enhance Speech section, you'll find an AI-powered Enhance Speech button. This is designed to boost the clarity and presence of the voice. Once activated, you can use the Mix Amount slider to balance how much of the enhancement effect you want to apply. Finding the right mix is key to maintaining a natural sound. Even with these automated tools, sometimes you need to refine things further, especially if you're aiming for the best audio possible. Start with the denoise effect. You'll find this under the Effects panel, specifically in the Audio Effects under Noise Reduction Restoration. Drag this onto your clip and then adjust the Reduce Noise By slider to eliminate any lingering unwanted sounds. Next, consider shaping the tonal quality of your voice using the parametric equalizer. This allows you to cut out low-end rumbles, typically below 80 Hz, address any muddiness around the 200 to 400 Hz range, and enhance clarity in the 3 to 5 kHz region or even higher, depending on your particular voice. To manage background noise during silent pauses, try using the Dynamics effect and enable AutoGate. This is particularly great for removing those distracting noises that sneak in during quiet moments. Compression is another essential tool. Apply the single-band or multi-band compressor from the Audio Effects. This helps to even out volume variations, making quieter parts more audible while keeping louder parts under control. Lastly, normalize your audio levels to achieve a consistent output. Right-click the clip, go to Audio Gain, and normalize all peaks to a chosen level, like 3 dB, to ensure your audio is balanced. Now, let's talk about the final steps. Put on a good pair of headphones or use quality monitors and listen to your audio carefully. This is the time to check for any artifacts or issues caused by aggressive noise reduction or EQ adjustments. If something sounds off or artificial, go back and tweak the settings to soften those effects. Once you're satisfied with how the audio sounds, it's time to export your sequence. Remember to monitor audio levels closely during exportation to ensure nothing clips by going into the red zone. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to producing clean, professional quality audio.